Hello friends and welcome back to another amazing video. So friends, in this video I am going to tell you about a very amazing and reputed plan. So the name of this plan is National BNB and its official website is www.nationalbnb.io. So friends, this plan is working on a 100% decentralized smart system, including the reliability of Binance Smart Chain BNB. This smart chain technology ensures full safety of all participants' funds. Nobody can steal funds or change contract functions. So now let us know that what does decentralized means and what are its advantages and benefits. So decentralized marketing is created with an automated contract that offers you maximum security and sustainability. A smart contract is an automatic execution algorithm. It exists within the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, one of the top cryptocurrencies. Smart contracts like cryptocurrencies are decentralized. They work strictly according to the underlying program without the possibility of subsequently changing the defined execution. You can grow with National BNB because they provide the best ever program where you will get a chance to earn more without any risk. You can start by just 0.06 BNB and you can earn unlimited from here. Now, let us know about some of its advantages. So first one is low cost startup. You can grow with National BNB because they provide the best ever program where you will get a chance to earn more without any risk. You can start by just 0.06 BNB and you can earn unlimited from here. Now, if we talk about its future and idea, so it is a combo of idea because their professional team has developed the combo of two great technologies. The first one is BNB and the second one is National BNB. They are the officially verified by Binance Smart Chain and they are working 24/7 to increase platform popularity and make it truly worldwide. So now let us know that how does this National BNB Matrix program works. So this National BNB Matrix program is closed system without deadlines of places and unlimited number of reinvest in the matrix. The referral link is fixed, the person who invited you. So now let us directly talk about the business plan of the company. You can activate your ID with only 0.06 BNB. Here the first 5500 IDs take 100 NBN token as free airdrop. Then the first 400 IDs that upgrade 6 slot in Gold Club take 1000 NBN token and their parent will take 250 NBN token as free airdrop. For example, when you join with 0.06 BNB, that means $18, so you get free 100 NBN. Here, the value of $1 is 1 token. So the total profit which you get from here is $100. Or if you buy 6th slot of Gold Club, you get free 1000 NBN token from here. Here also the value of $1 is 1 token. So from here you can take a total profit of $1000. So now when we talk about registration, so here when you register with 0.06 BNB, so here the first slot of each program cost 0.02 BNB. They are just bought together separately. Here the first slot cannot be taken. Here the Gold Club costs 0.02 BNB, the Royal Club costs 0.02 BNB and the Global Club also costs 0.02 BNB. You can purchase all further slots separately in order from the smaller to the larger. It is impossible to buy a third slot without having a second open. So now let us know in detail about the first club, that is the Gold Club. All partners in your slots of the Gold Club program are global users. When any user will join, they take places as per their upgrade position. The distribution of payments when filling out the matrix automatically occurs globally as follows. So here, your first referral partner takes a place under you. 100% payout goes to your personal wallet. Then the second referral partner takes second place below you. Payment is also instantly credited to your personal wallet. Again at the last, the third partner takes third place below you. Again you receive 100% of its income, but this time you receive this income in the form of reinvest. Here, reinvest opens the same slot for you again and you continue to receive income from it. Here the reopening of slot means you take next free place in your superior partner's slot. Accordingly, 100% for reinvestment is transferred to your superior. So here for additional earning, the company has also made some pools. Here are total 15 pools in the Gold Club. So the value of first pool is 0.02 BNB. The value of second pool is 0.04 BNB. Third pool is 0.08 BNB. fourth pool's value is 0.16 BNB, and the process continues, and at the last, the value of the 15th pool is 327.68 BNB. That means when you reach to the 15th pool, you can take around 327 BNB from each of your sponsors. And that counts to be a very big earning. So now let's talk about the next club, that is the Royal Club. So in this club, you can also get a great help from your upline. So here, the benefit of your partners from the first and second ID is sent directly to your inviter or your higher position partner in their wallet. After that, the benefit from your third, fourth and fifth ID's partner is directly credited to your personal wallet. Then after that, the last ID, that is the sixth ID, it is the last payout and it is the closing of the slot. And it also makes a reinvest, buying you the same slot again. And the payment of 90% is transferred to your higher partner. 100% of your amount will send to your inviter. So similarly as Gold Club, the Royal Club has also made around 15 pool for additional earning. So here the value of first pool is 0.02 BNB, the value of second pool is 0.04 BNB, value of third pool is 0.08 BNB, and similarly the value of 15th pool is 327.68 BNB. So now let us talk about the third club, that is the Global Club. So it is completely a non-working club. That means you do not have to work here. Here you will get benefit by the personal IDs placed by you. Here you will also get benefit by the IDs placed in your upline, and also you will get help from the IDs placed at the company at global level. Here you get 100% of income from the all three IDs placed under you. That means here the first referral takes a place on the first place of structure, and here 100% payout goes to your personal wallet. Then the second position partner takes second place below you. 100% of its payment is also instantly credited to your personal wallet. Then when the third partner takes place below you, your structure will complete and you will get the new globally feeling position. And in this club also 15 pools are introduced, which means there are 15 different ways for earning. And also there is no expiry date for this. Here also the value of first pool is 0.02 BNB. The value of second pool is 0.04 BNB. The third one is 0.08 BNB. Fourth one is 0.16 BNB. And when you reach to the 15th pool, its value is 327.68 BNB. So friends, these were the complete details about all the three clubs. So now let's talk about the total supply of tokens. So the total supply of token is 21 lakh here, out of which 50% is reserved for network, 35% is reserved for buy and sell, and the remaining 15% is reserved for airdrop. Here, the first 5500 IDs take 100 NBN token as free airdrop. Then the first 400 IDs that upgrade 6 slot in Gold Club take 1000 NBN token, and their parent will take 250 NBN token as free airdrop. So now let's talk about the BNB wallet preparation. So here the company recommend preparing in advance to launch a new blockchain because they are sure it will be a hit. You and your teams shouldn't miss out on this profit by being unprepared. It's wise to prepare the amount of BNB needed to open the right number of slots and make sure you have a BNB supporting wallet. Binance Smart Chain Explorer, here you can find and track all blockchain transactions. Now when we talk about its wallet, so you can use any wallet from Trust Wallet or MetaMask. You must have BNB wallet to participate with 0.06 BNB plus gas fees to start. You can use any wallet, extension or web browser like I told from Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So friends, these were the complete details about the business plan, income plan and all the benefits of this system. So in future, if you also want to earn a very good income from here and if you want to be successful in your life, then you can join as soon as possible. For joining, either you can contact on the details given in the description or you can visit their website, which is www.nationalbnb.io. Thank you.